Hi, I'm Neville in the Bush. You're Miller Fossi.
Tell Brad I kept.
That one, the whole. Into the window.
Como?
55, 22 and a half. So, oh, that's not right. 55 is,
Just bad timing.
I have to double check, but I got everything you asked.
No, I tell you about it.
All right, water's off.
It's a double hookup, it's
I
this
see.
and that, I don't know if we're gonna drill
No,
for
we
this or
don't have
whatever.
I don't have the ports on me.
We're not doing a tank.
So then did you change that to a T and then T off?
But he's not.
Yeah,
His regulator's not on there for.
damn it,
And is it natural gas or propane?
natural.
What I noticed, so this, I'll tell you the story, then I'll let you get here and do your thing. What's your name?
Mark.
Hey, Mark. So last week I noticed that when I was taking, like 7 or 8 days ago, I was taking a shower in my bedroom, which was all the other end of the house, and I didn't get any hot water. I turned it off. I came back, I turned it on, it was working. Then for like 7 days, it's working fine. Last night, my wife goes to take a shower, absolutely no hot water. Turn the dishwasher on, no hot water. I take a shower this morning, no hot water. So